I've never travelled with Flixbus before, so this is a bit of a new one. Let's see what it's like. So let's head over to flixbus.com to work out how to book a ticket. When I head over there, it asks me whether I want to use English or another language. I'm going to use the EU flag with English for my booking. Right here, we type in where we're leaving from, that's Faro, and where we're going to, in this case, this is Seville. Let's set that for the 10th of July, 1 passenger, and click on search. Pretty quickly, Flixbus comes back with all of the options from Faro to Seville. If I scroll down here, you're going to be able to see that some of the tickets are $18.99, and then those at a slightly more popular time of the day are $34.99, and these prices are in euros. I would probably choose to book the 10 o'clock journey. You click on continue, and then you're brought to a screen where you simply fill out your first name and last name. And note that on this Flixbus journey, you are not able to make a seat reservation. The journey that I took did not begin in Faro, and so I just had to sit wherever I could find a seat. Note that one piece of hand luggage and one piece of hold luggage is included for you. You can add more luggage for extra cost, of course. You put in your contact email address and phone number, and then choose how you're going to pay, and off you go for €18.99. Let's get on board. This coach was busy with about 20 people waiting to board at Faro. You can use the Flixbus app to show your ticket or ticket printout. At the bus stop, there's no queuing system. Those with hand luggage only boarded first, as those with suitcases waited for the storage to be opened. This meant not many options in seats, and my seat was fine but stuck in recline. There's a little footrest, and all coaches are fitted with seat belts for your safety. There's air conditioning and individual reading lights. Now we head for the border.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
2.5 hours later, I'm in Seville. I think this is called Plaza des Armes. I think this is a little bit outside of town, so I think I'm going to try and get a taxi. Thanks for being here for this episode. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.